Hello everyone, this is Tejaswini. Welcome to Testing Studio. Today we will see what is waterfall model, its advantages and disadvantages. Nowadays we are not using waterfall model, but for interview point of view we have to prepare this model. So let's get started. Waterfall model is very old and traditional linear approach to the software development where one phase depends on another phase. It is called waterfall because first phase is the output of second phase and second phase is the output of third phase and so on. Here waterfall model comes under SDLC, but approach is little bit different. Well, waterfall model has 6 phases like requirement gathering, system designing, coding, testing, deployment and maintenance. Waterfall model. First phase is requirement gathering phase. Then second is system designing, third is coding, testing, deployment and maintenance. In first phase, business analysts will gather all the information from the customer and produce one detailed document. That document will provide to the system designing phase. Here system architect will provide high level design and low level design. Then this document will provide to the developer. Then developer will develop the actual software. Then this software will give to the testers. Then tester perform detailed testing of this software and provide the testing documents. Then deployment phase. Here the actual software will deploy at the customer site. And the last phase is maintenance phase. Here all testers and developers will provide maintenance to the customer for the actual product. So this is the waterfall model. Now we will see advantages of waterfall model. First advantage is simplicity. It is easy to understand and use, especially for small projects with clear and unchanging requirement. Second advantage is structured approach. Each phase has specific deliverables, making the project easier to manage and follow. Then third advantage is easy to manage due to its rigid structure. It allows for easier tracking of the progress. Fourth advantage is clear documentation. Each phase produces detailed documentation which makes it easier to understand the project, even by new team member or for the future updates. Fifth advantage is well-defined milestones. The clear separation between each stage makes it easier to measure progress and identify any delays. So these are the advantages. Now we will see disadvantages. Inflexible to changes. Once a phase is completed, it's difficult and costly to go back and make changes without disrupting the entire project. Second disadvantage is assumes clear and fixed requirement. The model assumes that requirements are well understood from start, which isn't always the case in real world projects. Late testing. Testing only begins after the build phase, so defects and issues might not be found until later, making them costlier to fix. Fourth disadvantage is risk of failure with complex project. For large or complex project, the waterfall model can lead to delays or failure.